Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My kids' school is celebrating Book Week or National Reading Month, and preschool and second grade are required to wear the costumes of their favorite book character. In this event, my daughter portrays the White Queen of Alice in Wonderland. Actually, I chose this character for her because I have lots of leftovers white satin fabric from the previous costumes that I've made. To start with, let's make a circle skirt. Create 2 layers of circle. First is the white satin fabric and the next one is galaxy tulle with any design available. Next step, make a bodice by cloning a shirt. Fold the fabric crosswise, then lengthwise. Turn the shirt inside out and trace the edges on the fabric. Pin the fabric together so they stay in place while cutting out. Cut out the sleeves. Make sure to give a 1/2 inch allowance for the seams. Then cut the neckline. The front part is lower than the back, so open up the fabric first, then do another cut for the front line. Find the center of the back portion, then cut a 1/2 inch from both sides of the center. Fold the edges from the back opening to the neckline, pin, then sew. Cut a strip of 1 inch fabric, fold the edges inwards as you sew. This will be used as a strap for the back. From that strap, cut 6 pieces of about 3 inches, then create a loop as shown. And this is the bodice in back view. At the front of the bodice, add an accent by using the same galaxy tulle we have for the skirt. Here's the partial look because we're not done yet. We have to attach the skirt and the bodice together. Mark the center for both parts, then sew them starting from that mark. You may find it awkward, but I am using this technique to close the seams neatly because I don't have a serger yet. Next, fold the bodice over, pin, then sew. And here you go. You see, both the connection outside and the trim inside are clean. With this technique, you don't have to worry about the fray and the seams even if you don't have a serger. Add the silver trimmings as another accent for the bodice. Make a pair of ruffled shoulders using the stretchy galaxy tulle. Fold the fabric as shown. Sew both ends and on the center while making the folds overlap to each other. Sew the ends of the ruffles to the lower part of the armhole and into the shoulder part. This is how it looks, but still we're not done yet. Add the silver beaded garland to the bodice manually or hand sew. To make the skirt bloomer or fuller, I added a petticoat underneath. Check the description box for the link on how to make a petticoat in 3 easy steps. Special thanks to one of my mom friends for my daughter's makeup. Check out her vlog with kids. And finally, here's our DIY costume inspired by White Queen of Alice in Wonderland. I also added a pair of elbow-length lace gloves, silver beads necklace, silver crown, and ivory wig for accessories. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the process. For more DIYs and crafts, please subscribe and we'll see each other next time. Thank you for watching.